Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check RAM in laptop. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Random access memory RAM is an important, fast type of short-term storage your computer uses to hold data that in use. So, what if you want to check your RAM on your laptop or computer? It's very simple. If you're using Windows 11, you can just go to your settings. So you can go to Windows and start. Select on settings. From settings, you can go to system and you can just scroll down. There is an option about. You can see the device specification in here. You can select in here and here you go. You can check like your storage, your graphic cards, and your installed RAM in here. All your specification will be displayed in here, like your device name, processor. It's very simple, right? So that is how to see your RAM on laptop or PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!